Hello everyone, welcome to database design and development course. In this session I would like to show you how to create a project in SQL Server Management Studio and create your query. So here I have opened SQL Server Management Studio. I am going to click on File and connect to the Object Explorer, where you can see the server names, or from the Object Explorer, if it is visible, you can click on Connect and then choose Database Engine. Both of them will trigger the Connect to Server dialog box. My usual server is selected here. I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to click on Connect. Now it is connected, and I would like to create a project. I'm going to File and then New and then Project. Here SQL Server Management Studio project is selected by default, and I'm going to click on Browse to choose a file location where I can save it. Here I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it as MIT 12063 and select the folder. Now I'm going to give a name for the project. I'm going to call it as SEUIS 98 MG 16. That's my number, and click OK. Now you can see the project has been created by your name. You have to make sure the project is created with your name, and then we have 3 folders. Inside the folder you can have queries. Now we have to create a query, so I'm right clicking on the query and I'm choosing new query. Okay, here you can select the database, select all from vendors. This is one of the sample queries. Execute. Okay, now I'm going to close this. Again I'm right clicking on this and I'm choosing another query. Again I'm selecting the database. Here what I can do is select some invoice total from invoices. I'm running this. Okay, it works. Now I'm going to click on this save all button. So we have 2 queries. Again I'm going to create another query from using the AP database. Select vendor name comma invoice ID from vendors joins invoices on vendors dot vendor ID. So here we don't have these fields populated. The problem is joins, right? Join vendors dot vendor ID, vendors dot vendor name, vendor ID. Okay, vendor ID equals invoices dot vendor ID. Okay, let's run this. It works. So we will save all. So we have 3 queries. What we can do is we can right click and rename as chapter. Let's call it 1. Okay. Again we can rename it. Right click and rename chapter 2, and again rename chapter 3. Okay, we have 3 queries added to these queries. So what we can do is you can close this, close solution, so that it's closed. Yes, save the work. So I'm pressing Windows key plus E, so that I'm triggering the Windows Explorer. Double click on desktop and I'm browsing to my folder. Here we have the project, right? We have the project. What we have to do for the assignment is just right click and send to compressed, so that you have only one file. So this file can be uploaded to the VLE as your assignment, right? So please do the needful, and we will meet in another video. Thank you so much.